Bonjour à tous. Again today I'm here with a new video and it is related to weekdays and months. So it's very important to know before starting the French words for these English words, whatever the topic I'm going to teach you. Les jours de la semaine et les mois de l'année. Les jours de la semaine et les mois de l'année. Now here you can see again three columns are there. First column only French words are there. Second column only pronunciation part is there, and third column English meanings for these French words. So this second one column, it is to help you only. This is nothing, only to help you. No need to memorize, no need to remember these words, only to help you. With the help of these words you can easily read these French words. Like here in first you can see Jour, Zhohr, jour. Jour means day, semaine week, lundi Monday, mardi Tuesday, mercredi Wednesday, jeudi Thursday, vendredi Friday, samedi Saturday, dimanche Sunday. So these are weekdays. Now I am going to start with months. First word is MOIS, mois. Mois means month, année, year, janvier, January, février, February, mars, March, avril, April, May, Juin, June, Juillet, July, août, August, September, October, November, December. To December, these are months. Now you will see some other words are also there, like hier, hier means yesterday, aujourd'hui, today, demain, tomorrow, matin, morning, après-midi, afternoon, soir, evening, nuit, night, journée, whole day, the whole day, minuit, midnight, midi, noon. Now once again I am telling you, I am going to tell you the pronunciation of all these French words. Pay attention. Jour, semaine, lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche, mois, année, janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre, hier, aujourd'hui, demain, matin, après-midi, soir, nuit, journée, minuit, midi. So I must tell you one thing. After every video related to vocabulary part, you will get exercise part also. Like this, if you can see here, les exercices. Question numéro 1, trouver les mots français. What you have to do from this, you have to find out some French words. Another exercise is also there like this. Question numéro 2, activité 2, compléter les mots. What you have to do, you have to complete the words with some letters. Here if you can see MERCREDI, it will be mercredi. If you will see here this word, this is from numbers, DOUZE, douze. Again, if you can see this SEMAINE, semen. Semen means week. So, and then you can see here also retrouver les mots. you have to find out this word, this exercise related to jumble words. Next, another one, I am showing you another exercise is also there, like this, corriger les fautes. Corriger les fautes, that is correct the mistakes. Some mistakes are there in spellings. Here if you can see, M it will be N, W it will be V, N it will be M. So it will be Novembre. Novembre. And then you can find like this also, écrivez en français, en anglais. These French words you have to write down in English, in French, and you have to find out, you have to write these words in English, and then écrivez en français, you have to write down these English words in French. So after every vocabulary part, you will find this type of exercise also. It will be very easy for you to practice with this type of exercise part. So keep practicing with all these vocabulary part and exercise PDFs. This one, and if you like the video, please do like it, subscribe my channel, and last but not the least, merci, bonne journée.